Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Apple ID under setting is grayed out on your iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If already updated, then we are going to check the date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Here we are going to do one more thing. If you still facing the same issue, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or video will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going to check the content and privacy restriction setting. To check that, launch settings, tap on screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here we are slightly scroll and under allow changes, tap on account changes and select allow. And force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, go back to settings and your problem will be fixed. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.